I'm Wendy from the STEM department at Carnegie Science Center. Welcome to the Something to Watch series, where we offer fun and educational videos for students, parents, and teachers. Like the rest of the Science Center staff, I'm practicing social distancing at home. So I'm here with my daughter Micah, who is 2, and we're going to spend the next couple of minutes exploring, play, and building with cardboard boxes. If you're like me, you've been ordering a lot more online lately, which means I have lots more cardboard boxes in my house than usual, which is great because boxes are a fantastic tool for open-ended learning. So today, Micah and I are going to be using our cardboard boxes to practice our early engineering skills by doing a little bit of building. So we made some plans for what we'd like to make today. Here's my plan, and here's Micah's plan. I think Micah's plan goes like that. As you can see, we're going to be building a tower. So we're going to start with some boxes on the bottom, and then put some boxes on top of that until it gets all the way up and touches the ceiling. And after that, we might build a fort.
Yeah, it would go all the way up. Your cats is the same.
That's right, the big one's on the bottom, the little one's on the top, and then go all the way up to touch the ceiling, just like we said in our plan, right? All you really need for this activity are a bunch of cardboard boxes. But with that being said, you can get as creative as you want to. So you can use crayons, you can use some markers or colored pencils, pipe cleaners, tape, cardboard tubes, or anything else you like to make your tower or your fort or whatever you're building as fantastic as it can be.
All you really need for this activity are a bunch of cardboard boxes and your imagination. But there's no limit to the materials you can use. Once you've decided what you want to build, maybe a tower, a race car, an airplane, or a castle, you can use crayons, scissors, tape, pipe cleaners, cardboard tubes, or anything else you like. Young children are naturally curious and learn best through experimentation and play. I try to give Micah as much control over our building as I can, even when I know her ideas might not work. That's because learning from trial and error in a supportive environment is important for early learners, just as it is to the engineering design process. As you build, you can ask your child questions such as, which box should we add next? Or what will happen if we put a large box on top of a small box? By building a tower and then building a better tower using what we learned from the first one, we are using skills like planning, testing, and improving, just like an engineer would in their work. Eventually, we figured out that large, heavy boxes work best on the bottom of our tower, and smaller, lighter boxes work best on top.
We can't wait to see you in the Little Learner Clubhouse when we reopen, where your early learner can experiment and explore just like we did today. For more activities, log on to Carnegie Science Center, where you can find lots more to read, lots more to watch, and lots more to do. Bye-bye.